in the cup water.
Huh?
You want to say it in the camera? I got the camera on.
Say what are you?
Got my first 12.
Oh, yeah. You ready to get the first 12?
Yeah. You smell my clutch?
Damn.
You're going to have to turn it down so I can get into gear.
Okay. Went too fast.
Are you kidding?
Yeah.
You gotta hold on.
I slid off the truck. What am I gonna hold on to?
Morning. I figured I could film a little bit of the turd. I drove it home last night. Shelby's in the back, which is really tiny. But yeah, we'll give you some in-car footage before this is still on the fucked clutch, just so we're clear.
It's not fun, you just unfold the power.
Okay, still on the fucked clutch. Alright, hold on. We got some traffic this morning, so Edgar and I were just discussing how this car is pretty inconspicuous because it's quiet, as you can hear us, even though I have the window open a little bit. And it's basic as crap, but one guy did see us last night and knew there was something in it. He turned his head. So it's pretty cool. Anyway, this is what it's about. I'm super psyched. I think Edgar's pretty pumped. Have a turd back out. Turd life, baby. Yeah. Turd nation.
Shitbox.
Alright, so hello. Today, turd is gonna hit the track. Maybe. We're gonna try to get she heating up a little bit, okay? Definitely warmer than we'd like to see. I think yesterday, what did I say, it hit like 211. So that's a little too warm in traffic for my liking. And Edgar's liking, of course. So this fat radiator, hold on. This fat radiator is very nice, but it's too thick. She too thick. Kind of like me right now. So we're gonna put this thin K radiator in. I'm gonna take this out now. It is too hot right now, so we're cooling it down. What else? You're gonna do the VTC gear. Where is that?
Yeah, it's probably back there with your other junk.
I don't know. But we're gonna put the turd on jack stands because all the lifts are taken up with high quality merchandise, as we'll say. Turd don't get a lift today.
So we got the boost stock adjustable VTC gear plate. So essentially you drill out the holes that locate the outer gear from the VTC gear, and then you run this on the back, bolt it in, and it essentially lets you slide the outer ring of the gear on the VTC center, allowing you to change the center line of the cam.
Show me over
Big
here.
gains to be done with using this, especially when you're, top mounted, forward facing intake. So essentially these bolts right here that bolt in backwards from the factory, this cam gear is actually slotted. So it's technically an adjustable cam gear from the factory. The only problem is you can't adjust it when it's on the car, so you'd have to take the gear off to adjust it and then put it back on. So this allows us to adjust it without having to take the gear off every time, and then we'll be able to dial it in on the dyno.
And on the street. Because she ain't seeing the dyno for a minute until we get the clutch in, okay? Right. So, shoot, this girl can't handle the dyno right now. You can't handle the power. But it's really fun to drive. I've been driving her around a little bit. I've really only, what would you say, redlined once. I'm really kind of quite gentle. I definitely plan on going a little bit faster, being a little harder on her, but these tires just old and they don't feel right, I'll tell you. So I'm just gonna go with my gut and not blow a tire. Oh. Anyway, I'll be back. pulled the radiator. We pulled the radiator and then you noticed. What'd you notice, Andy?
That the outlet and inlet are on the wrong sides. Or different than what came out of it.
For sure.
Yeah.
So now Edgar's on the phone.
Damage control.
At least it was just an advanced auto part, so we should be able to figure this out. But I'm not sure if we are going to... Well, I can still run it with the fat radiator.
Yeah.
But it's just, that fan is so thin, right? Like, what the fuck is that gonna cool, realistically?
On the side of the box it says, I wonder if you could do two smaller 10-inch ones up.
It might move more air.
Because I mean, you're only getting this little bit right here. This is all just left for draft cross through.
That's
But
true.
if you put two smaller 10s.
Yeah.
Problem is the motor is just too thick.
Even with the 10s, they don't make us 10
Because
that
it's
size.
this only works because where the motor is. Because if this motor was here, it wouldn't fit.
Okay. Fair
Well, never mind. Edgar
That
squashed that. Ugh, yeah, let me empty this. Well, radiator's back in. Looks oddly familiar.
Mm-hmm.
Man, I'm so salty about this. I was so excited to get some cooler. As you could see, the clearancing issues here. So what happens is it gets hot as a bitch because it's a motor. It's a motor. Little chirpies with these fucking dry rotted tires. Oh yeah, so are we gonna go get?
Yeah.
You're gonna go do that?
Yep.
So dry rotted babies are gonna be going bye-bye. Edgar's gonna go down to L's and get me. What kind of tires are you getting me?
They got 70 pounds that small.
What about the fronts? We don't care about them?
No, I'm getting tires on the front. Some
You
cheapy
are?
boys on the front.
Cheapy boys are the front, and apparently,
No.
what size are the Mickeys?
They're like 225 50s.
Oh, this is great. This is great. All right, here's how turd looks now. I have to get some mats. As you can see, she creepy. She creepy. Is she bled? She's bleed. What are you checking for now, babe?
Just making some fuel adjustments.
Fuel adjustments. Like what in the puck water? You just put blue fluid in here. Is that like a problem, you think? I got so much crustacean in my block. God, that looks like mud, like legit mud. Let's see. Oh yeah, we could show the BTI gauge. Let's see. Oh wait, 186. It's nice. Little like. Right, Cecil.
You ready to get your first 12?
Yeah, you want to say it into the camera? I got the camera on.
Huh?
You want to say it in the camera? I got the camera on.
Say what do you?
Got my first 12?
Oh, yeah. You ready to get the first 12?
Yeah. Hopefully. We'll see. Fucking pants. It's so hot. It's like 100 degrees.
You came around that super.
Oh, yeah, my paper.
You seen him in front of you at first, right?
I couldn't tell, was he behind me or not?
He was
Like,
in front of you, and then you passed him at the 3:30.
I hope somebody got video of it.
I did.
Okay, good. I'll see it later. I'm interested to see how she looked going down.
It's funny because the sound does not match the look.
No. That's the best part. I feel like nerve-wracking every time. Not like, it's not bad. I'm definitely not, you know.
You've done it before.
Yeah.
This ain't your first time on
You
the
should
track,
tell Kenrick
whereas
to
Kenrick,
get...
it was his first time.
I know, that is the scariest. I don't want to race this Civic.
You're gonna get clapped.
I'm gonna get clapped. Yep, the pre-strip jitters. Shit is nerve-wracking every time.
Just try to ride the clutch more.
All right.
That hard dump, that shock, that's what breaks stuff.
That hard shock of what? Oh, my first to second?
Clutch, no. If you dumping the clutch off the line and the hard... that's what breaks.
So you want me to ease? Okay. All right.
Just think about the way you did it last time and just make your clutch release slow, a little slower.
Oh, my clutch release. Okay.
Right.
That pull was not a full pass because I ran out of clutch. Egger turned it up last time, and you know this bitch cannot take the heat. We'll tell you. You want to go up again? I know. Are you blocking that? No.
Run a 13.
No, a 14. I think I lost my clutch. I'm pretty sure my clutch went. Egger gave me more boosty, and I just lost my clutch, so like I just had to get out of it.
Yeah, like
so
boost picked up quick as shit on the launch.
Yeah.
I went to 13 this time.
That's good. You did good. Let's go find Egger. You can smell my clutch.
He said he was on his way over here.
My clutch.
I heard it. I thought I heard it slip.
Yeah.
What? It slipped in third, right?
Third.
You gonna park it up?
No, I want you to turn the boost down so I can do it one more time.
Okay.
Go back up there. Yeah. Do you want to get in? Oh, fuck.
I went too fast.
Are you kidding?
Yeah.
You gotta hold
I slid off the truck.
Yes.
What am I gonna hold on to?
I don't think I was on it right away.
What do you mean? Well, both of y'all red lit like a motherfucker.
We red lighted, right?
Yeah. You went too soon.
My clutch, that's what happened, though. That's what I need you to plug in and...
Yeah, you went faster to the 60, faster to the 330, faster to the 8th. And then when you hit click third gear, that's when the clutch slipped.
Want me to just... No, we gotta move. We gotta plug in now.
You hit the red one here?
Did you see that I did?
I'm asking you.
I thought I did in a second. What did I hit it at?
Shifting late. You gotta pay attention to that red line in order.
Okay. Yeah, I did. Sorry. Well, I'm trying to be fast, you know?
You should be lined up with Kenrick.
Alright, babe. Thanks.
Good luck.
Thanks, babe. Alright, good luck. Good luck. You got it. Still got these janky ass fucking coils in here. Although they are better than the last batch I had. What was the
Yeah.
last batch? Stalkers?
Stock, yeah.
Yeah, them Johns was fucking beat ski. Dems is done.
Beat as fuck. I mean, to be fair, it matched the car. The whole car is beat.
This is true. It sounds good though, and it's fast. Well, sort of. Fast for me. Maybe not you 4-digit boys and girls. But for this gal. Really? Like, are you serious though, Mickey's?
Yeah.
Some be able to do a little spinaroo.
Wait, what?
Maybe do a little burn skis, burnouts.
Oh my god. Don't post that.
What?
You saying burn skis. That is so corny.
This coming from you. You're calling me corny. That's what you get. That's karma hit your head on there. Dang, babe. That was mean. Don't say burn skis. I'm going to say whatever I want. I'm going to do a burn skis.